I got a crazy one for you guys today. We're at Taqwa's over on 27th Street, right off the freeway, actually, in the at-home parking lot. I've had this place in the past, and I remember it was phenomenal, but we're going to try it again. There's a plate with rice, everything. Man! I didn't know what I ordered, but I got a massive piece of bread right here. All right. This is like a family restaurant. She got the recipes from her mom. I was doing a little bit of research. Started young. Like, this is quality food here, made with love. Presentation perfect. It smells ridiculous. And I got two of the fatires. Those look incredible too. Let's see. You can smell. It's like you can smell the grill. This looks like my favorite type of rice. Look at that. Does that not look incredible? All right. This is my favorite thing to eat, I think. Maybe besides shawarma. So we're gonna see. We're gonna get it all together. That is incredible. That has so much flavor. And it's got like it's charred, but not burnt. You can taste the grill very heavily, which is, I love it. Perfect. This is literally perfect. It's burning hot. My hand is on fire right now. Let's just get some rice too. Rice is incredible. There's something about the rice. It's always perfect, no matter what. At all these Mediterranean places, Arabic places, the rice is always so good. It's insane. Let's see if we can get a close up of that. Just by itself, this is worth it. They're fatires. That's I've had them before. It's been like probably 3 years since I've had it, but I know it's gonna be incredible. They got a massive like wood burning oven thing. Like, it's like for pizzas, but they use that to make these. I think, at least. Delightful. All right, let's get my last bite. Top tier. The rice is getting a 9.5 out of 10. The kufta, I'm thinking 9.3 out of 10. Super fresh, crazy flavorful, but I have had slightly better. It's still like the quality and the flavor is there. The seasoning is there. I've had heavier seasoned ones that I like a little bit better. Ooh, these look good. All right. Fatire, I think it's called. I got one that's like, it said it was basically like mashed potatoes. And then this one's Mediterranean cheese and I think basil, something like that. I don't know which one to try. They both look insane. I never had the potato one. I've had one of these before, but I've only had it homemade. Let's take a bite. It's so fresh. So fresh. That, like, I don't know if I've had that fresh of, like, the dough. So I would eat the bread by itself. You don't even need the cheese. And not gonna lie, the bread takes over so much with the flavor. I barely even notice the cheese. I would rather almost have it without cheese. I have had one like those the pita bread or the pita with the cheese on top and the za'atar and all that. Those I like better because you can taste the flavor a lot more. This one, the bread just takes over. But the bread is that good that you wouldn't care that it took over. So, yeah. All right. Next. I can't get over that bread. That is insane. The potato one. Man! That's straight mashed potatoes in there. The most insane flavored mashed potatoes you've ever had in your life. That is fire. That is so good. I ate that in like 2 bites. Man, all right. Now we'll decide. All right, let me just get the. Might as well. Mashed potato one I'm doing first because that one was crazy. Mashed potato one I'm giving a 9.1. Only this is a side. I'm not giving it the full course meal score. The cheese one, oh, it's so close. I'd say an 8.7 on the cheese one, only because you can't really taste the cheese. If it had more cheese, maybe I'm just too Wisconsin or something, but it's 8.7. That's a good score because the bread is that good. Like, that's the best bread. I would go there just for bread. You don't even need to get any of the toppings in there. Just get the bread. You're good. You don't even go to any other grocery store. Go there for your bread. Besides that, they have tons of food here. So many different options. That place is immaculate. They're so clean. Everything looked pristine. It's a cool place inside. If you're in the area, this is it's the perfect spot. You're never going to miss it. Make sure you check it out. This place was 100% worth it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.